Hello everyone, we are here at IMTEX 2025. We have with us Mr. Sunil Joshi, President, Sandvik Coromant. So sir, we have noticed here there's no machine or there are no tools here at the Sandvik Coromant stall. So can you tell us about the new concept that Sandvik has come up with here at IMTEX 2025?
Yes, thanks for the question. Just to introduce myself, my name is Sunil Joshi. I'm responsible for Sandvik Coromant sales in India. And of course, this time, as we know that we have a new brand identity, Sandvik Coromant. We have a new logo as well as a new symbol. And along with that, we also have a very new brand promise, which is manufacturing wellness. So we have close to 35 to 40,000 products in our portfolio, and we do have tools in the IMTEX. They are running on the machines where they should be with our MTM partners. And at the same time, on our booth, we have the brand promise of manufacturing wellness, where we are displaying how can manufacturers be more effective and productive by using and make their, I would say, manufacturing much more effective by implementing manufacturing wellness. So we are promoting these 8 habits. So what is manufacturing wellness? Manufacturing wellness is about a mindset, and how can by adopting this to these 8 habits, how can you make your business much more thriving and resilient? And yes, that's the concept we have. At the same time, we are connecting to our digital live machining in Pune, wherein we are showing many demonstrations to customers, live demonstrations. At the same time, we also are connected to our GMO factory in Sweden, wherein we are sharing with customers what sustainability initiatives we are taking. And so that's how the booth is. So even we do have tools, but they are there where they should be on the spindles.
So manufacturing wellness is focuses on sustainability. So can you tell us how it is taking ahead the sustainability concept?
So as we see over here, I think there are 8 habits in manufacturing wellness. So one of the habit is choose a sustainable path. So we as a company, we have also made commitments to, I would say, the UN. We are also following the UN goals for sustainability. At the same time, we have also signed science-based targets initiative, wherein we have committed that we will be fully circular by 2030. So what does circularity mean? It means that by 2030, 100% of all my new carbide inserts which would be produced and sold will be made by recycled carbide. Today we have reached to 45% levels, and of course, how do we do that is we have a buyback program. We also have a carbide recycling plant in Chiplun, wherein we buy any carbide inserts, drills and mills of any make. We reprocess them. It is recrushed into powder form. We extract the tungsten metal and it's processed again to make the new carbide inserts. But that is one initiative that we have with the buyback for the circularity. At the same time, we have also launched a sustainability analyzer tool. It is called as the Suzanne, wherein by conducting demos and tests, we would be able to know that how much of energy consumption my cutting tools can provide to the customers, and how much that energy saving translate into CO2 footprint reduction is the second initiative that we have. And at the same time, of course, the other part is eliminate waste and unlocking potential with data. So with that, we also have a reconditioning center in Pune, wherein our drills and end mills can be reconditioned and they can be used in a much more better way. At the same time, the new grades that we are launching in the market, they are with extremely, I would say, high technology PVD coatings, so that they give you better tool life. In any of my new NVO or ZTO technology coatings that we are using with the new grades, they are offering 20-30% tool life. So that is again sustainability, because we are producing more with the same tools that we are selling. So these are a few initiatives that we are taking on sustainability.
Also, manufacturing wellness and Sandvik is doing a lot for skilling the youth. So can you please elaborate on that?
Yes, what we are, of course, witnessing in the industry is, though we are growing, I would say India has fantastic growth forecast of 6 to 7% GDP growth in next till 2030. However, we see that there is a good amount of skills gap in the industry. Though we have a lot of engineers coming out, but then are the industry ready? And then many manufacturers, and whenever we are interacting with leaders, we are getting, I would say, a request that they are not industry ready. So we have a lot of initiatives what we are doing for skill development. The first one is under our CSR initiative. We are running the ITI in Aund in Pune, wherein the entire course and curriculum is decided by us. We have also invested in machines over there in the ITI. so that the graduates which are coming out, we also have a, I would say, tie up with one of the agency who is helping us with the course content. We are also providing a lot of inputs and training to these ITI graduates so that when they are coming out of the ITI, they are industry ready. We are also inspiring and motivating the companies to hire them. At the same time, we also have in-house training programs wherein our yellow coats and engineers, they visit the customers, they provide them training. And we have a Coromant Center in Pune, which is one of the 15 Coromant centers we have globally, wherein we conduct a lot of in-house programs for them, advanced application training programs based on industry segments and many more.
So manufacturing wellness is a very new concept. So what can manufacturers take away from it? What can they learn?
Yes, I think these 8 habits, if they are able to implement it in their production, they can make their process and system much more thriving and resilient. And there are 8 habits under which Sandvik Coromant has got specific offers, and we can jointly collaborate along with the customers to actually implement these 8 habits in their production.
And so can you tell, so there are no product launches as such, but Sandvik is planning to have the new products introduced over the time. So can you please tell us about them?
Yes, as Sandvik Coromant as a company, we invest close to 3 to 4% of our revenues into R&D, and every year we come up with 2,500 new products. And these are new technology products. We are launching products in every segment. Take aerospace, automotive, oil and gas, general engineering. So we are coming up with a lot of new products in each and every segment, and we are also seeing a lot of traction with our customers. So all these new products are running well. They have been able to, I would say, increase the output from the customers and also increase the productivity. So they are able to utilize their machines in a much more effective way.
And also, can you tell me about the global and Indian presence of Sandvik Coromant?
Yes, Sandvik Coromant is, we are totally 8,000 employees globally. We have presence in 150 countries. India, we have a very big footprint. We are rather increasing our footprint in manufacturing. We are enhancing our capacities in manufacturing of inserts, round tools as well as soft tools. And we are also increasing our footprint in strengthening the application support closer to the customers in the region. So we are also investing quite a lot in improving our footprint in India.
Can you tell me how is the outlook for machine tool market here in India?
Yes, as I mentioned, we are India as an economy is forecasted to grow at around 6 to 7% of GDP in until 2030, and today the contribution of manufacturing in GDP is around 17%, which is I would say forecasted to be at around 25% levels in 2047. And if you look into the journey of this, I would say the biggest growth is going to happen in a few segments. Aerospace being the first segment wherein it is going to see a double-digit growth, followed by infrastructure-led general engineering. Then we have emerging segments like railways, defense, who are also going to grow at double digits. Apart from that, medical as well is showing a very good promise. And automotive is also strong. I'd say it's the biggest potential for us when it comes to cutting tools. And it's also forecasted to grow around 4 to 5% in the coming years.
Sandvik has a lot many partners, and especially here at IMTEX, everyone is present. So can you tell me how do you foster this partnership?
Yes, and if you look into the first habit, which is taking a holistic perspective. So, with that, what we mean by taking a holistic perspective is we are pretty much strong in machining. However, we would like to be involved in the entire manufacturing value chain of the customer. So, it means that we should be involved right from product design, operations planning, process planning, and I would say production logistics. So, over there, we cannot do all these things by ourselves. So, we work very closely with our machine tool partners. Have also acquired a few companies, Vericut, CG Tech, which are, I would say, who have the Vericut platform. Mastercam is our company. At the same time, we are also working very closely with ESCO, and we work very closely with the CAD partners, CAM partners, machine tool builders, and also, I would say, academia to forge this. And one of the habit is, I would say, benefiting from strong partners. So moving ahead, there are very few things that I can do on my own, and hence we also, I would say, need to be for, I would say, be dependent on partners. We work very closely with all our partners, be it CAD, CAM, machine tool builders, academia, customers. So we do joint events along with them. We do, I would say, knowledge sharing programs, and we work very closely with them.
So IMTEX 2025 has perhaps been the first trade show that Sandvik is participating after rebranding itself. So how has been the response, and what were you expecting?
Yes, I would say we have launched our new brand identity in 2023, and after that, of course, we have participated in the IMTS in the US, and after that, IMTEX is the first show that we are participating in Asia. So it has the response to our new brand identity has been fantastic, and even the response to the new brand promise of manufacturing and wellness has been truly appreciated by all the industry leaders whomsoever we have met, and who all is visiting us. This time we have, as we mentioned, a new concept of customers are coming specifically with their challenges, with their new projects, component drawings, so that we are able to give them meaningful, I would say, output of their time that they are investing in IMTEX. So we are having a lot of good discussion around component solutions and also new project discussions, and it's been very well appreciated by the industry.